Pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca and its partner Oxford University released preliminary results from its Phase 3 COVID-19 vaccine trials on Monday, which found that the company's vaccine, which uses a genetically modified cold virus, is up to 90% effective. This makes AstraZeneca the third to announce preliminary data from its Phase 3 trials, after Moderna and Pfizer released results from their Phase 3 trials earlier this month. Both Moderna and Pfizer, whose vaccines use an mRNA platform, found their vaccines to be about 95% effective. The AstraZeneca-Oxford vaccine showed a somewhat lower efficacy, but is less expensive and poses fewer issues involved in distribution and administration. Today marks an important milestone in our fight against the pandemic, AstraZeneca's CEO Pascal Soriot said in a statement. This vaccine's efficacy and safety confirm that it will be highly effective against COVID-19 and will have an immediate impact on this public health emergency. Here's what you need to know. The AstraZeneca-Oxford vaccine is a chimpanzee adenovirus-vectored vaccine. This means that the company took a virus that normally infects chimpanzees, and genetically modified to avoid any possible disease consequences in people. This modified virus carries a portion of the COVID-19 coronavirus called the spike protein. When the vaccine is delivered into human cells, it triggers an immune response against the spike protein, producing antibodies and memory cells that will be able to recognize the virus that causes COVID-19. Adenovirus-vectored vaccines have been in development for a long time, in particular against malaria, HIV and Ebola. But no adenovirus vaccine has ever been approved for human use in the US. Some adenovirus vaccines in past trials have been simply ineffective, while others have been attacked by the body's immune system. Human adenoviruses can cause the common cold, so some people already have antibodies to these viruses. Researchers behind the COVID-19 vaccine are working around this problem by using a chimpanzee virus that few humans have antibodies to. Previous trials have shown that their vaccine triggers an immune response to COVID-19. Other companies are also working on adenovirus vaccines against COVID-19, including Johnson & Johnson, whose vaccine is currently in clinical trials with preliminary results expected in early 2021. China-based CanSino Biologists is also developing an adenovirus virus, as is NantKwest, the biotech company founded by billionaire Patrick Soon-Shiong. The preliminary data released on Monday studied two different ways to administer the vaccine. In one group, patients were given a smaller initial dose of the vaccine, or placebo, then a larger dose as a booster 1 month later. In the second group, patients were given the same dose both initially and as a booster 1 month later. In the first group, the interim data analysis found that the vaccine was about 90% effective at preventing COVID-19.